Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your lost Samsung Galaxy A56 5G to the lost database on imei.info page. Okay, let's pretend that I don't have this phone right now, but we need to enter the IMEI number on the page. Usual way of checking the IMEI is this method, through the dial pad, but we don't have our device, we have lost it or it has been stolen. But don't worry, if you have the phone packaging, the IMEI number is usually written on the side, on the edge of the phone packaging, so you'll find it there. Then enter this number in the page and click on Check IMEI. As you can see, device has appeared. Then keep scrolling down until you find Lost Device Add. Now, if you want, you can also add the second IMEI number and the serial number. It's not necessary, but if you want, you can do it. And then city where you lost your device. Then enter your mail. It will be necessary later to verify the request. And now the phone number. Enter your phone number with the country code. I'm just typing random numbers just to show you. Now enter the value of the recovery reward in US dollars. Let's say $30. The country. And now the description. Describe the item or circumstances of the loss of the device. Remember that description should be as much precise as possible. For example, you can write the color of your case, what wallpaper you had when you lost your device, and for example, the place where you were sitting when you when you saw it last time. For example, let's say you were in a restaurant in the city center. You can type the name of this restaurant, so it will simply increase the chances that someone will find it. In my case, I'll just type dot. Now the contact name and the incident date. And we need to enter the date in this format. So first year, then month, and day. Now click that you agree, click on report lost/stolen IMEI, and now we need to visit our email to verify the request. Okay, now we need to verify the request by simply clicking verify your request. Okay, and our report has been verified. We can also preview this report in database if we are interested. And in here we have lost the verify result. We have the IMEI number, the brand, the status, the incident date, the country, city, the price, and other things. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.